10 healthy smoothies to start the day. 1. Energize your morning with a tropical delight. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're starting your day with a burst of energy. Introducing our tropical sunrise smoothie, made with fresh mango, pineapple, and a touch of coconut milk. It's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants to kickstart your day. Let's blend. 2. Boost your immunity with a berry blast. Hey there, health-conscious folks. Boost your immunity with our Berry Blast smoothie, featuring a mix of strawberries, blueberries, and a hint of honey. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. Great for a healthy start and to keep you going at work. Let's blend. 3. Stay alert with a coffee banana smoothie. Need a morning pick-me-up? Try our coffee banana smoothie, with a shot of espresso, ripe bananas, and a drizzle of honey. It's got caffeine, potassium, and a delightful coffee kick. Perfect for staying alert at work. Let's blend. 4. Get your greens with the Super Spinach Smoothie. Health meets productivity with our Super Spinach Smoothie, filled with fresh spinach, cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. Packed with leafy greens, it's a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals while working. Let's blend. 5. Reduce stress with a calming lavender smoothie. Work can be stressful, but our calming lavender smoothie, featuring lavender flowers, Greek yogurt, and a touch of honey, can help. Lavender's soothing properties can reduce stress and anxiety. Sip your way to serenity. Let's blend. 6. Acai for a brain boost at work. Working on a big project? Try our Acai Brain Boost smoothie, with acai berries, banana, and a scoop of almond butter. Acai berries are known to support brain health and improve cognitive function. Let's get those creative juices flowing. Let's blend. 7. Chia seeds for all-day energy. For sustained energy throughout the day, our chia seed smoothie, made with chia seeds, almond milk, and a medley of mixed berries, is a game changer. Chia seeds provide lasting fuel for your busy workday. Let's blend. 8. Stay hydrated with a cucumber cooler. Staying hydrated at work is crucial. Our cucumber cooler smoothie, crafted with cucumber, mint, and a squeeze of lime, not only tastes refreshing but also keeps you hydrated all day long. Cheers to productivity. Let's blend. 9. Banish mid-morning slumps with a maca mocha. Say goodbye to mid-morning slumps with our maca mocha smoothie, made with maca root, cocoa, and a shot of espresso. Maca root gives you an energy boost, and the mocha flavor is pure bliss for coffee lovers at work. Let's blend. 10. Detoxify and rejuvenate with a green tea elixir. As you wrap up your workday, treat yourself to our green tea elixir smoothie, infused with green tea, kale, and a squeeze of lemon. It's a detoxifying powerhouse with green tea, perfect to rejuvenate and reset your body. Let's blend. That's a wrap, folks. These smoothies are not only healthy but also a delicious way to power through your workday. Cheers to your health and productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and to stay informed on the latest health and wellness trends. Thanks for watching.